Good evening everyone. This is Harpreet as a math teacher. Dear students, I hope you all are good and fine and completed the previous one work. As you know, we completed the chapter number 5th, that is the equivalent geometry. Today we are going to start the new topic, that is chapter number 6 as a lines and angles. So here firstly we will do the introduction and types of the angles we will discuss, and afterwards we will discuss one or two questions also. Okay, so let us start it here with the introduction. Firstly I will give you the meaning of the name of the chapter. What is it? The lines mean to say, as you know, into the previous one chapter or the previous class you studied, whenever the minimum 2 points are required to make a line. Okay, line is called when we are extend a line. Okay, then that is called as a line. And whenever a fixed points are given to us and fixed distance is given to us, that is called as a line segment. Okay, so next further is a angle. Next thing is a ray. A ray mean to say on the one side we can extend and on the other hand side it is a fixed point. As suppose it is the AB ray. When any ray is moved on the towards up to clockwise or the anti-clockwise also, then some movation is this one is done, and then that is called as an angle. So AB ray is moved towards AB dash. Okay, so some movation is there, so that is called as an angle. So here this is the previous one class work. So types of the angles we will discuss now. First type is, as you know, that is the acute angle. So here is acute angle. Here the angles, those one which are lies between 90 degree and 0 degree, those are called as a acute angle. Then further is right angle. Right angle is that which is accurately 90 degree angle is called as a right angle. Further, those angle which is lies between 90 degree to 180 degree, those are called as, those are called as obtuse angle. So we can write those angle which are lies between 180 to 90 degree. Okay, and exactly 180 degree, that is called as a straight angle. Okay, this is called as a straight angle. This we have done into the previous one class. And further one, reflex angle. Reflex angle is that one whenever the angle which is greater than the 180 but less than the 360. So that is called as a reflex angle. Okay, so which are lying between 180 to 360 degree. Okay, and exactly 360 degree angle is called as a complete angle. Hope you understood this one concept, and these things we have completed into the previous one class also. So let us start here the further one topic, that is further one as a complementary angles and supplementary angles. What are the complementary angles? Two angles are said to be complementary whenever their sum is equal to 90 degree. Then those are called as complementary angle. Supplementary angles are those two angles are said to be supplementary when two angles sum is equal to 180 degree. Then we can say those are the supplementary. Further one there is as the topic, that is the adjacent angles. What is the adjacent angles? Adjacent angles, whenever the two angles having the vertex same and one arm is the same also, then we can say these two angles are called as these two angles are adjacent to each other. Okay, whenever their vertex and their one arm will be common to both of them, then we can say those are the adjacent angles. Next is the linear pair. What are the linear pair? Whenever a straight line, a ray is divided into the two angles, a straight line divide into the two angles such that these two angles are called as a, such that this is, suppose it is a A and this is the angle B, then angle A plus angle B forming as a 180 degree angle, then we will call them as a linear pair. Okay, these two angles are adjacent to each other. These two angles are adjacent to each other and having the sum is equal to 180 degree, then we are calling them as a linear pair. Next further is intersecting lines. What is the intersecting lines? Intersecting lines are those whenever the two lines are intersect each other, mean to say cut out each other at the one point. Suppose it is the as O point and this line name is AB and another line name is CD. Then AB and CD are called as an intersecting line and having the common point as a O. Intersection point is O. Next is non-intersecting lines. Non-intersecting lines we can call them as a parallel lines also. Okay, whenever non-intersecting lines, whenever the two lines never intersect each other. Whenever the two lines never intersect each other at any point, then we can call them as a non-intersecting line, and here I am drawing these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, I hope you understood this one concept. Let us start with the questions now. Okay students, I have written the one question 6.1 exercise. First question is there. They are saying that an AB line and CD line intersect at the point O. Okay, such that AOC plus BOE, sum of these two angles is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to this angle, it is given 40 degree. As if we will not see this one, this ray, then these two lines are intersect each other, then vertical opposite angle must be equal. So here is a 40 degree, this must be also 40 degree. Okay, so here we are using this one. And so into the solution we should write here angle BOD is equal to angle AOC is equal to 40 degree, as the reason is vertical opposite angles. Further one, angle AOC plus angle BOE, they are saying as a 70 degree. Here you can see these two angles having the sum is equal to 70 degree. So angle BOE is left over 70 minus 40, that is 30 degree. So angle BOE we are finding out that is 30 degree. Now to find out this angle we find out, that is solution. Reflex of the COE. COE, reflex of this angle. Mean to say firstly we will find out this angle, then we will subtract this angle from the complete angle, that is the 360. Now what is the COE? COE is equal to 180 minus sum of these. Into the diagram you can see sum of these three angles is equal to 180 because it is making on a straight line, right? They are saying AB is a straight line. So we will subtract the sum of this. It is 70, it is given 180 minus 70, it makes as a 110. So reflex of COE is equal to 360 minus angle 110, it makes as a 250 degree. That is the answer of the question. I hope you understood the concept and question also. If you have any query, then you can ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.